Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add car insurance card to Apple Wallet. As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Store Card. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You'll be able to see the most frequently used cards by the users on the home page. On the top right corner, you can see an add button. Click on it. Now select Other Card. You can scan your card via the front camera. The app is most likely to detect your car insurance company, or else you can enter your card details manually. After doing this, click on Save. Once you have saved it, you will see a button to add it to Apple Wallet. Click on it and your card is successfully added to your Apple Wallet.